I need some stickers. I need to clean up this mess, and I need to stack some of this lumber. I don't have any stickers. So I have a 2-inch thick by 12-inch with some bark. So it's a good size white oak. I'm going to split it down in the middle in half. Then I'm going to cut some stickers and do 1x1 stickers. Let's see. It's a little bowed, not much, just at the top right here, right in the middle, like a 1/4 inch. The clamp wouldn't hold it down, so I've got a couple clamps. I just got to be careful. I'm going to cut this down here and then just take my time splitting this down in half to make it 1 inch thick, and then I'll stand it up and slice 1 inch thick boards. I have not run the sawmill in quite a while, so I hope it cranks right up. I've got the blade tension, blade lowered where I need it to be. Let's fire it up. Always starts on second pull when it's cold. Also, this is the first time using my new throttle handle. All right, that worked like a charm. And I know some of you probably thinking, why in the world am I wasting such a nice white oak board on stickers? Well, I am pretty abundant in white oaks on my property. I had this one cut that didn't really meet my needs, and I don't have any 1-inch boards, and I really don't want to go buy any furring strips or anything like that. So this is what I'm going to use. From what I understand, white oak is best as stickers instead of red oak. It doesn't do any staining, so that's why I'm using this. And on a side note, for those of you who own sawmills and saw lumber other than, custom pretty much, I mainly do custom, but I also have little scraps here and there that I try to save into 1-bys or whatever, and either use them for projects or try to sell them as a lot. Anyway, back to the topic. What do you guys use for stickers? I am in Southern Virginia. My property has white oak, poplar, red oak, handful of pine, and I think a pin oak or two. And that's about it. I know some people say it's best to use kiln dried. Am I better off to go buy some fern strips and rip them down to 3/4 inch pieces, or mill my own white oak strips into 1x1s, cut them to length? I will cut them into a 36-inch length, since my tractor forks are 36-inch, and use those. Or whatever I don't use, I can stack on a pallet and dry them. Anyway, what do you guys use? What do you recommend? I'm more than welcome and more than eager to learn and see what you guys are doing. Anyway, let's keep working. All right, so now we are going to, well, I say we, I am going to stand these boards up so I can rip them down into 1-inch sections. All right, just like that, we got a bunch of stickers. I'm gonna get a pallet, put them on the pallet so they don't stay on the ground, and I'll use them one of these days. And just like that, I've got the stickers cut and stacked. 1, 2, 3, 4 little rows. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's about 40, about 50 stickers. That should hold me for a little while. All right, guys, I think this is gonna do for today. Thanks for watching. And again, let me know, what do you guys use for stickers? Do you buy kiln dried furnace strips, or you just cut whatever you have? Let me know. Please subscribe if you haven't. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.